Welcome back to Mr. ComputerMan. Let's increase the speed of our computers. Step 1. Open the Run command dialog box either by using the shortcut combination Windows key +R or search Run in the search bar, then open it. Step 2. Type %temp% and click on OK. The temporary files folder opens up. Step 3. Select all the files and delete them. Some of the files will not get deleted, so just skip them. After this, the speed of your computer should be increased. Thanks for watching.